Modern batteries demand smarter care. That's exactly what this charger delivers. Meet our newest charging solution, the OptiMate 6 Select V2. It takes everything drivers loved about the original and moves it up a gear. It's made for those who own modern vehicles on both 2 wheels and 4 wheels that are filled up with electronics and have high-performance batteries. The OptiMate 6 Select will solve all of your battery problems, and it's available now. This is not just another battery charger. It's a smart, powerful 12-volt charger with 6 amps of ammatic charge power. It can save, it can test, and it can maintain any type of 12-volt battery of any size. It's made for the high-performance battery market of today, and yes, this V2 is suited for both lead-acid and lithium high-performance batteries. The OptiMate 6 Select V2 gives you 3 different charge modes. One for standard lead-acid, a second one for high-performance AGM, and a third one for lithium-ion LiFePO4 12-volt starter batteries. Whether it's your daily driver, your 4x4, your weekend car, your workshop vehicle, everything you have can be maintained by the OptiMate 6 Select V2. And with the 3 specific charge modes, you can actually give the battery what it needs, not just something close enough. And that matters. These new high-performance batteries, they're more advanced, they're more expensive, but they're also less forgiving when they are neglected. The new OptiMate 6 Select is designed to extend battery life and to always keep your vehicle ready to go. A win-win for both vehicle and driver. Of course, the OptiMate 6 Select can charge and maintain 24/7, but it offers more. It can save dead-flat lead-acid or lithium batteries from down as low as 0.5 volts. And if your lithium battery has a deep discharge BMS protection, that BMS can be manually reset, and after that, the battery is automatically recharged. At the press of a button, you can also change your dynamic charge mode into a fixed voltage service mode for battery support during vehicle setup or troubleshooting. Done? Press the button again and it will reactivate your pre-selected battery charge and maintain program you had on the charger. For anyone who wants safer, smarter battery maintenance, this is the charger that soon will become an essential part of your setup. It's weatherproof, built for indoor and outdoor use, and fully automatic. Thermal sensors and cables rated down to -40 degrees Celsius, that's -40 degrees Fahrenheit, make it a charger that you can use in any type of weather. Connect it, choose the right charge program, and let your OptiMate do the rest. No drama, no babysitting, no battery nonsense. So, if you want one premium charger that can charge any size of 12-volt battery and speaks fluent lead-acid, AGM, and lithium, this is it. The new Gold Series OptiMate 6 Select. Smarter charging, better battery care, made for the high-performing and high-demanding automotive market.